This for?
Shh. Let's see. I'm gonna put silly music on it.
Hi.
Sing.
Hi.
Sing and stuff. La da dee, la da doo, la da dum, da dum dum. La da dee, la da doo, la da dum.
Is this for Jasmine?
Maybe. I might send her some of it. Okay, that's good. Now sit back with Claire. Sit,
Hi,
wave
Jasmine.
hi in case you're talking to somebody like Jazzy.
Hi. Look.
Now give her a little peanut butter so Jazzy can see it through that. There you go.
She can get into the picture.
Now your turn too, Joe. You don't want any?